Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Mexican Hat is a small settlement in southeastern Utah, positioned along the San Juan River and surrounded by open desert land. It is easy to miss if you're not paying attention, but its location makes it a natural pause point in the region defined by long distances and limited services. The town takes its name from a nearby rock formation that resembles an upside-down sombrero balancing on a narrow base. The formation sits just outside the settlement and stands out against the otherwise flat terrain. Its shape is unusual enough to give the town both its name and its identity. Mexican Hat developed primarily as a service stop rather than a destination. The surrounding area is remote, and the town provides fuel, food, and accommodation for travelers moving between the larger landmarks in the region. Buildings are low and widely spaced, reflecting both the climate and the practical need of the desert travel. The San Juan River plays a quiet but important role here. It curves past the edge of the town, cutting a deep channel through the desert. While the river adds contrast to the landscape, it does not dominate daily life in the visible way. Instead, it exists as part of a broader environment that makes settlement possible in an otherwise dry region. The surrounding land feels expansive and exposed. Rock formations, mesas, and open plains stretch outward with little interruption. From almost any point, the horizon feels far away. That openness reinforces how small the town is in comparison to the land around it. Mexican Hat also functions as a gateway. Roads leading in and out of the town connect to Monument Valley, Valley of the Gods, and other remote desert routes. For many travelers, the town marks a transition between major scenic areas rather than a place to linger. There is no traditional town center or dense commercial strip. Activity is minimal and steady rather than busy. Vehicles arrive, stop briefly, and move on. The rhythm of the place follows the rhythm of travel rather than local industry. Mexican Hat is defined by simplicity. It exists because people need a place to stop in a landscape where stopping points are rare. Its character comes not from its size or spectacle, but from location.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.